G'day, Jared here from Barrymoney Volkswagen, and welcome to part 4 of our series Getting to Know Your Volkswagen. All of the Volkswagens in our range have folding wing mirrors. Today we're looking at a T-Roc, but this facility and the way to set it up is the same in all of our models. So from our main screen here we simply push menu, followed by vehicle, and then in the corner there's a settings button. We push that, we scroll through to mirrors and wipers, and then there's just a checkbox there to fold in when locking. You can also fold the mirrors from the driver's door. For example, if you were going through a narrow doorway or a garage or something, simply turning the switch here all the way around to the left, you can see folds the mirrors in. A little bonus tip, if you turn this switch all the way to the right, there's a heater element in the mirrors to help them defrost. Be sure to like and subscribe to these videos because there's lots of information coming for you across all of the products in our range. So yeah, stick around and we'll have some more information about getting to know your Volkswagen.